champions, welcome to another video. If it's the first time that you're visiting this channel, welcome. My name is Vivek and I'm a freelancer and my background is in taxation. So on this channel we talk about making money online, we talk about passive income ideas, money saving tips, freelancing tools and tips, and motivation, and also anything relating to financial freedom. So in today's video, I'll be showing you ways in which you can use Fiverr to make some money online. And I did a video previously, I will link it in the description to show you the different headings or different services that you can offer on Fiverr. So in this video I'll be showing you exactly some examples of persons who are using the platform and making money on it. Alright, so first we're gonna search, and we're gonna search for Instagram. Instagram is one of those platforms that is widely used by many persons, and in the search you have Instagram templates, promotion, Instagram templates, filter, social media manager, reels, content creator, shoutouts. Alright, so let us search Instagram on a whole and see what comes up. Alright, so we have 14,816 searches on the platform relating to Instagram. So here in this tab here, there are suggestions as it relates to different types of services as it relates to Instagram. So you have marketing, you have the growth, you have Instagram posts, you have Instagram templates, Instagram influencer, Instagram stories, Instagram content. So it's going further than just Instagram. It's kind of niching down, right? So let us look at Instagram posts and see what comes up. Alright, so you have 8,400 services available for Instagram posts. So you can use Fiverr to create Instagram posts for clients. So let us go to, alright, this is a level 2 seller and this person has 684 reviews. Let us click on it to see what's there. Alright, so far this person has 3 orders in queue for their service now. Their packaging, one post is $15, standard post 3 posts for $40, premium post 6 posts you get it for $70, and they have 3 orders in the queue. And this person said, I will design premium quality Instagram posts, right? So this is these are like the collages of different posts that he has created, right? Looks pretty good, right? So here is the description of the gig. So when you're creating your services on Fiverr, it's based on gigs. So you create gigs on the platform and you say exactly what your service is about. So you talk about, as I said, what is it about? What do you do? and you give an overview of the packages, what the client will be getting if they choose to use your service. And this person goes on to say what's the benefit of quality design, grow your audience, promote your content, make your brand an industry leader, and so forth, right? And they showcase other areas where they create posts for, like Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter, you name it. He is doing it right here. So this is just a general overview of what your gig and the description is all about on the platform. And down here it gives the same thing as over here as relates to the pricing and what you will get, and what is included in each of the packages. So the delivery time is 2 days, 2 days, 2 days, right? So this is just an overview of this gig for this person. And to see what else this person offers, you can click here and it showcases the different gigs that he offers. So he will design premium quality Instagram posts. I will do stylish and modern Instagram post design stylish and modern YouTube thumbnails. So there's another Instagram gig again. This one is quality Facebook cover and banner. This one says original and modern banner, that's general banner. And different gigs that he's offering, showcasing his services. So this one is money, does business cards as well, and design professional and modern banner ads, right? So he has in total over, breakdown is here, over 1,216 reviews. So you see he's making money on the platform, right? So once you create your account, you are required to create your gig. So what you can do is to just whatever area you're interested in, you can just search it in the search area here, and you can look at what services other persons are offering. Please do not copy anyone's work or information. Just use those persons the information as inspiration to creating yours, so you have an idea of how to set up your gig and how to coin the services that you're going to offer to your clients, right? For me, let me show you mine. Okay, so for me, I've been on the platform, but not that long working on it. I've signed up from 2017, but I've not been working on it consistently from that time. So these are my gigs that I offer. I currently have 7, and it is normally advisable that you create at least 7 gigs of services that you can offer on the platform. So this is just mine. So as I said before in a previous video, that one of the services I offer is data entry. So this is my picture, right? And this is the description of the gig, and why should I choose my service. And you also want to state that if persons want to place an order, they should try to contact you first before ordering, so that you and the client can be on the same page, right? So, and this is a breakdown of the figure as it relates to the packaging and so forth, right? So this is just a brief overview of the services that you can offer and what it entails in terms of like creating a gig and showcasing what services that you can offer. So as I said before, that you can whatever your interest is, you can search for it and see if it is in demand. You know that Instagram, as I say, is one of those popular platforms, so the service is gonna be highly requested on the platform here. And the Instagram post service has 8,400. So the smaller the number, it would be easier for you to be found, because there are so many persons offering Instagram services. But when you niche down, or just don't write Instagram, you go to like for example, alright, you put in Instagram here, and you can go down to Instagram filter. You can do templates and reels. Let me go on reels and see what it says. Okay, so this is actually a small number of persons offering this, so 634 services. So this you can use if you're interested in doing Instagram reels for clients. This is a service that you can offer, and the competition is not that bad, right? It's not that bad. So let me just check this person and see. All right, see, this person has 11 orders in queue, and the person says, I will create professional Instagram reels, stories, TikTok ads. You see, guys, there's no limit to what services you can offer. Even if it is in a competitive area, you can still make money. You just have to try and market your product, your service. You have to advertise it, so you have to let everybody know that you are offering this service. So it's either word of mouth. You create your social media profile, like your Facebook, your Instagram, your TikTok. TikTok is very going viral right now. You can also create a Pinterest account. Many persons don't see Pinterest as a search engine, but it's more of a visual search engine, and you can create a Pinterest account and advertise your service there, right? So you can sign up for Twitter as well. So just you want to let everybody know that you are here, so you want to be known on every platform. And also LinkedIn is a platform, even though it's normally quoted as professional in terms of like persons who are say 9 to 5, working organizations and stuff like that. But no, persons who are self-employed, persons who have their own business and stuff, they create LinkedIn accounts and they advertise their services there as well. So there is no limit to the services that you can offer on these platforms. And the more niche specific you are with your service, the better it is. So you won't compete in a wider space, right? So If this content is something that is interesting to you, I am asking that you subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell to be notified when I release a new video, like the videos, share the videos, comment on the videos, let me know what you think, if there's something that you would want me to talk about on the channel. I just want to encourage persons that we are on this route to financial freedom, and I just want to showcase different ways that you can use whatever services. And guys, even you may not know of how to do a particular thing, but you can learn. You can use YouTube University and to learn a lot of things, and you can offer those things as services, because sometimes some persons don't have the time to create these services. Sometimes some persons don't want to do it, so they prefer to get somebody to do it. So I'm just encouraging you guys to just use the services that you have, the knowledge that you have, and try to monetize it, so that you can be on your way to financial freedom. Because as I said in an earlier video, one income is next to zero, and you need to create multiple streams of income, right? So you can offer different services on Fiverr, and as you go along, you learn and you can have different source of income. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll leave all the important links in the description. So for racketing, as it relates to money saving tips, getting cash back and stuff like that, the link is in the description that you can join. It's free to join, so I'll leave it there so that you can join, because we're on this journey to financial freedom. So have a wonderful day, guys, and see you in the next video. Peace.